Hi friends, welcome to Peter AI Lab channel. Are you ready to create viral-worthy YouTube shorts or TikToks without breaking a sweat? Let's take a look first.
Dress like a fashion stylist in minutes. Ready to unlock your inner stylist? Build your wardrobe with versatile pieces, a crisp white shirt, well-fitted jeans, and neutral sneakers.
The video you've watched was made in just a few minutes by Fliki AI. It's a platform that transforms text into high-quality videos, voiceovers, and more. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create viral content with Fliki AI. Ready? Let's go. Start by clicking the link up here or the link on the description below to sign up. It's quick and free to get started. It is always fastest to sign up with Google account. What is your background? Tell them a little bit so that they can help you better. Then, choose what you want to create. Today, I'll show you how to make a YouTube short or TikTok project. Simply type your idea here. They will transform to a perfect script for you in just a few seconds. You can choose the length of your video and upload your own videos and images as you wish. If you want your video more than 1 minute long, you need to have the upgraded version. Now choose the characters for video, like tone, purpose, and audience, or you can skip this step. This is the aspect ratio of your video. If you want to make YouTube short or TikTok, choose the first one. Now, here's where the magic happens. Your video appears with an eye-catching title and separated scenes. Add background music for that extra vibe.
All I see is
Tweak the subtitles to match your style. When you're happy with the result, hit download your video. Choose the resolution that fits your needs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or professional projects. The free version allows you to have 720p, and with watermark. If you want higher resolution and without watermark and some of other benefits, you need to upgrade your plan. Then hit export and you're done. Fliki AI isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking your creativity. That's it for today. To unlock Fliki's full potential and enjoy premium features, upgrade your plan. It's a game changer for serious creators. Click on the link in the description to get started. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.